Let's meet the nominees for Darling of the Press.
And the star goes to Honorable Samuel Ramon Bonavilla Jr. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC are Jimmy Escala. Together with Binibining Playtime, Samantha Acosta, and Jan Yamado, lead marketing of Playtime. To present the additional award, the 55-inch Smart TV from Playtime.
For 40th Star Wars for movies. Ako naman, I celebrated my 50th anniversary in show business. So, matanda pa rin ng 10 years. Pero ngayon ako nakatanggap ng Darling of the Press Award. Marami-rami na rin tayong award na natanggap, pero special po itong Darling of the Press. Why? Dahil ang mga movie press ay napakalapit po sa aking puso. Sa mga nag-start po ng PMPC, like Manay Ethel Ramos, palakpakan po natin. Kuya Ronald Cosentino. Is Kuya Ronald still alive? But yung mga ibang kasama natin. At yung mga officers and members ng PMPC. Nakita ko kanina, wow. Mukhang nagiging lola at lolo na tayo. Pero ganun pa man, sabi nga, wala yung edad eh. Kung ano yung pinagkatandaan mo. Let's leave a legacy for this industry. And that's what we're doing right now. Kaya utang ko po sa mga PMPC, sa mga movie reporters. Kung wala po sila, wala pong Bong Revilla, walang Ramon Revilla, walang Pamilya Revilla dito nakatigdig ngayon sa inyong harapan. Kaya PMPC, Star Wars, thank you for this award. And of course, gusto ko rin i-share ang award na ito sa darling ko, Darling Lanang Mercado. Okay, thank you very much for mabuhay kong lahat.
Congratulations, Senator Bong Revilla.